Hello everyone and welcome to the channel. How do I do it? Now I bring you this advice to make a hiding place in full view for their things, by the time they go on a trip or go to some beach and do not want to leave everything with the naked eye. But with this tip, they can hide it in a safe way and even protect them from sand, water, or some other splash. I had already put a similar one, and I will leave a link in the description in case they have not seen it. Let's see what we will need for this. First of all, we will need a bottle of shampoo, but of these that have the full lid and that air pressure, because that is where our opening will be and the lid disguised it so that it is not seen, and apart from that way it will be easier to open and close every time we use it. We will use large preference scissors since we are going to cut the neck of the bottle that is harder, and this will make things very easier for us. And finally, and this is optional, to mark the area that we are going to cut, and thus it is more accurate. We take the bottle of shampoo, cream, or any other product that we have, and remove the lid, and we leave it aside. With the down we will mark the area that we are going to cut, that in this case is the whole half of the bottle's neck and the part that holds it as shown on the screen. Be sure not to pass, since the point is that the lid covers this part and looks as if it were a common bottle, since that is the purpose of the counsel, that it is not seen that it is nothing more than a simple bottle of some product that we would normally bring. We grab our scissors and start making the cut, taking great care not to hurt ourselves, and following the line we mark so that we will not do it without hurry, and they will have much better. Since it reaches the end of the other part, they can cut the neck first to make it easier. Mud. As you can see, it looks like the opening where we will put our belongings and keep them hidden from the Vegio lovers. It will take any residue that the bottle could have so that their things are not stained. Since they washed and dried perfectly the bottle, we can put our belongings, that in this case are the keys, the telephone, and the keys of the car. That usually it is what we bring. We grab the lid and close the bottle, and as they see, it looks as if it were a normal bottle, since nothing is transparent apart from the fact that it happened unnoticed if they see this between their things, since there is nothing weird in it, as you can see in the video. To get it, as soon as we remove the lid and turn down the bottle so that our belongings come out, and as I mentioned above, they are also protected from any splash, sand, or something else that could spoil it. You can also put money, cards, or what you think you can carry in or need when you are somewhere we mention. As they saw, just with a bottle of shampoo or some other product, we can make a perfect hiding place for our belongings when we go on vacation, and more to a beach than when we put ourselves to the sea or to the hostel of the hotel. We cannot bring them with us, and so we will be a little safer that they do not miss or not steal. As you know, if you like this video, give it a little man, subscribe, share with all your family, friends, and acquaintances, give you like on the Facebook page, and check the other videos, since I assure you that some of them will be very much utility. Thanks for seeing, and hopefully this advice has served you. As always, see you in the next videos. Thank you.